You may have seen or heard many creators and entrepreneurs telling you to find their products and services via their Stan store while scrolling on social media. Now, while it sounds nice and all, you might be wondering, what is a Stan store? What does it do, and what can you sell on there, and what is the difference between a Stan store and a Linktree? So in this video, I'm going to give you my review of Stan store as well as an overview of the Stan store backend for you to better understand what Stan store is, to see whether or not it's a tool that you can incorporate into your business. So keep on watching. In case you're new here, I'm Sarah. I help content creators, brands, and entrepreneurs create their digital influence by sharing different creation tips, tech tools, and gadgets to help you create your influence and workflows with ease. Having said that, let's get into this video. And by the way, if you are interested in trying Stan store for yourself, I have left a link in the description below where you can try it out completely free for 14 days. Again, that link is in the description below, and yes, it is my affiliate link. What is Stan store? In short, Stan store is an e-commerce and link and bio software tool that allows creators to sell their digital products, host and sell online courses or memberships, create email lists, and book meetings. When you have a Stan store set up, you can easily add your Stan store to your profile link, so when visitors click through, they land on your Stan store page with your offers and services. Stan store has a minimal interface so that your products and services and offerings are listed clearly and can direct your audience straight to where you want them to go and get paid seamlessly in the process. Unlike Stripe or PayPal, Stan store does not make a commission, making it a popular option for creators looking to monetize their work. You could say it is the Swiss Army knife of monetization for content creators and personal brands alike. What do people sell on Stan store? The options of what people sell are quite limitless when it comes to the digital product and services realm. You can sell anything from ebooks and guides or any other digital download that could be a PDF, spreadsheet, or template depending on your industry. You can host a webinar, create recurring memberships, and even courses right through the platform itself. Additionally, you can create extra revenue streams by adding other external links to affiliates that you might be associated with. Stan store versus Linktree. The main difference between a Linktree, which is also a link and bio tool, and Stan store is that Linktree is a place that houses links that will then direct their audience away to a completely different platform. It's not super supported in helping creators sell digital products per se, but their pro plan is more geared towards those who have e-commerce websites in which they can integrate with Linktree. Stan store, on the other hand, is a whole e-commerce customer experience, guiding your audience from product landing page all the way to checkout within the same platform. Because of this, the functionality of the two are very different, as is the experience for a visitor. Stan store overview. Because Stan store doesn't have a free version, you will need to sign up for a 14-day free trial, which I've linked in the description below, in order to actually see the internal dashboard of Stan store. But I'm going to show you my backend so you can see just how powerful Stan store really is and all the things it's capable of. When you first open your dashboard, it'll open up to the home page, and here you'll see your total revenue, new number of leads, site views, and a few educational videos pertaining to digital marketing. Then right under home, you have store. This is my favorite area of the platform because this is where you can create all your products, services, and offerings. You can customize the look and colors of your store, get a live preview of what your store will look like to your audience when you start creating your products, and so much more. When you click add product, it'll literally show you all the different kinds of products that you can create. At the top here, you can create a lead magnet to start getting leads into your business. You can create your one-on-ones if you offer that. You can create and upload your course, webinar, add your Stan store affiliate, digital product, etc. I love this place because it just gives you so much inspiration to figure out your best idea for a digital product. The income tab will show you all your revenue as well as where it came from, how much is in your account to withdraw, etc., and your ability to cash out. Now, just note that you will need a Stripe account in order to receive your payments. Under income, you have audience, and I won't show you that page necessarily as there is private information of those who have either worked with me or bought something from my Stan store. Underneath audience, you will see funnels. Now, funnels are a great way to upsell your audience to other offers that you might have. In order to do this though, you will need to upgrade your account to the Creator Pro plan, which we'll talk about pricing right after this section. What I love about Stan store is they have a really great affiliate program, which is the tab right under funnels. Now, for every person you refer to Stan, you will earn a 20% profit share per referral every month, which is honestly such a good affiliate commission rate when you compare it to physical goods referrals like Amazon, where they can be as low as 3%. So having your own Stan store could literally pay for itself when you refer 5 people per month to sign up for Stan. Not a bad deal at all. Next, you'll have email flows. This is really good if you're more advanced in email marketing or have multiple offers that you can sell and upsell your customer through an email flow. Additionally to that, you can write thank you notes, follow-up instructions, and any other details you need to provide your customer to make it a seamless customer journey. In the More section, you can toggle on and off these additional apps, some which we have already covered, and they will require you to upgrade to be able to make the most of these features. In the bottom left-hand corner, you have Ask Stanley, which could help answer any questions that you have about the software if you ever get stuck on setting something up. Your settings area will have your personal information, any integrations you need to set up to work side by side with Stan, billing, payment methods, and more. Then the last tab, you have Logout. How much does Stan Store cost per month? In terms of pricing, users can try Stan Store for free with a 14-day trial, after which then it costs $29 a month for the Creator plan or $99 for the Creator Pro plan. So if you're someone who is keeping things a little bit more basic and wants to set up one-on-one calls, maybe a lead magnet and digital products, the Creator plan is a perfect place to start. If you are someone who is looking to upsell within your sales pages or create email sales funnels, the Creator Pro plan might be for you. How to sign up for Stan Store. If you like what you see here and think Stan Store might be the platform for you, the easiest way to sign up for your 14-day free trial would be via the link below. And then from there, you'll be prompted to create a username and fill out some details. And then just like that, you'll be able to start your 14-day free trial. So is Stan Store worth it? In my opinion, yes, it is, especially for creators. It takes out a lot of the confusion trying to piece other apps or softwares together, and it just creates a seamless experience for the customer too. Now, at the end of the day, you do need to invest a little bit of money to make money, especially when it comes to investing into yourself and your goals and dreams of helping people on a larger scale. You would have absolutely nothing to lose and so much to gain and learn simply by just trying it out for yourself. Common Stan questions. So there's a few common questions that come up in regards to having a Stan Store, and some of those questions include, can Stan Store replace a website? Back in the day, websites used to be the only option for finding out everything about a business or a person. But now that we have active social media platforms where we can share what we do with the combination of a Stan Store, it really kind of replaces a traditional website. You can still have a traditional website, but Stan Store is more than enough. Stan Store really is the simplest, most integrated option for all the technical backend of online sales. So rather than needing an appointment scheduler, an e-commerce store, or a course membership host and an email sign-up form, it's all combined into one. With all of that taken care of, it's so easy thinking about creating a mini course or a PDF product when you can have it online in just a few minutes. It also allows creators to take action on inspiration in the moment, which can only be a good thing. How many products can you sell on a Stan Store? Technically, you can have an unlimited number of products in a Stan Store. However, any more than 6 can cause sales to drop. Now, this is because a large number of choices can cause people to not buy at all. So if you have a lot of products you wish to sell, here are 3 options you can test to find out what works best for your store and your audience. You can offer them all, list only your best sellers, or list up to 6 and test which ones bring in the most revenue. Can you have 2 Stan Stores? Yes, you can have as many Stan Stores as you'd like, as long as you create each one with its own email address. Multiple Stan Stores would work well if you run more than one business or have very different audiences. Email and email integration. You can use Stan Store's email sign-up in 2 ways. The first is to use the email flows that are available on the Creator Pro level, and the other way is to integrate the sign-up with either the built-in provider of MailChimp or integrate it with other email providers through Zapier. So for a list of email providers, you can check out my video where I go over some of the best options, and I'll link that in the description below. So there you have it, a full overview of what Stan Store is and why you may or may not consider having a Stan Store for your business. If you want a 14-day free trial of Stan Store, I've left a link in the description below for you. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a creator, brand, or entrepreneur with whom you think this would really help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.